I'm Aletha with WTI. This is the Hydro Flask wide mouth bottle. It is a water bottle, but I can put hot beverages in here that will stay hot for a very long time, up to 12 hours. My cold beverages will last cold for a very long time. It is a great water bottle. I can carry it, so I can take it with me hiking. I can take it with me in my car. I can even put it on my bike. It fits right in the water holder from my bike. I love it. It has this really awesome wide mouth. So big. I have a tea bag in there, but I have a tray of ice, and you know these ice cubes are huge, but this mouth is so wide that it can handle even a big piece of ice to go inside. It has what is called a flex cap, so when it's open, you can easily drink out of it with no problem, but when you screw it tight, you'll see the red rubber, and that means that this bottle is leak proof. Nothing comes out of the bottle when it's turned over in the car or when it's turned over in your hiking bag. I love this Hydro Flask wide mouth water bottle. I love it. I highly recommend it, and that is just my point of view.